What's up, people? My name is Wilkins and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about Nowsite marketing and whether or not you can use this platform to build your online business. Guys, stick around for this video because you're going to like what you see. Let's get started. Nowsite. This is an all-in-one marketing platform with a little bit of a twist. See, you have a lot of these type of platforms online, but Nowsite offers something that a lot of these other platforms don't offer. And what they offer is an AI system. It'll build your website. It'll help you put blog posts on your website, as well as post on your social media accounts that you link to the platform. All right, this AI does it all. It's great. I love this system. Within a few minutes of me using it, I fell in love with it quickly. It's just that good. Okay, so what are some of the features that make this stand out versus other platforms? You can build a website, you can do email marketing, okay? Social media ad posts. You can even do retargeting ad posts for anybody who subscribes to your website, okay? I mean, there's a lot of things that you can do with this. I forgot to mention you can do SMS marketing as well. Okay, so everything is in this platform with doing free content, promoting free content as well as paid. Okay, you're covered with this platform. Like I said, this platform is built around AI. Okay, and this AI does a lot for you. Okay, so just like I said a few minutes ago, the AI will help you build your website, and I'll cover that in a little bit more detail later in this video. The AI will create social media posts for you, okay, that you can share on whatever social media platform you want. All right, it'll also help you putting blog content on your website as well. Okay, and these are highly editable. Okay, so you can change them out any way you want. Okay, so I mean, this AI in this system is very smart, very flexible. Okay. And I mean, it does so much for you. And again, it starts putting this stuff together for you. All right. And it does this daily. You'll get an email, you get a notification. Hey, we've got more stuff for you. And all you got to do is take it, edit it, and put it on your website. All right. So because this is a website builder, okay, it is editable. It's pretty much like most of the other ones like Kartra and ClickFunnels. They're drag and drop. They're more like columns and sections type of editor. It's not like a Wix or Squarespace type of editor where it's drag and drop completely, freely. It's more of a section and columns kind of ordeal. If you want to make minor tweaks to what the AI already put together for you, you're more than welcome to do it. Same thing with the their email marketing. Okay, they have a drag and drop editor for a template for your email marketing campaigns. All right, so it's very flexible as far as how the editor works. One of the things I also wanted to mention is that with this platform, it is mobile responsive. So when you build a site, okay, you can click over and see what the mobile version looks like. So something else that I want to go back to the AI real quick because I don't want to miss this one, because this one is important. One of the things that I find like super great about this is once you start posting, like once you start sharing posts on social media, they kind of do something that's similar to a soft lockout, okay? And what this does is they want you to take time, and it tells you right on the screen, they want you to take time to start following people, all right, and accepting friendships and communicating with people on social media, all right, to start building your brand. This, like I said, this AI kind of acts like a accountability partner where it wants you to do certain things to assure that you start growing your business, okay? While it's building the stuff, it wants you to go out and share your content with other people and interact with other people, okay? So I didn't want to forget about that because that's really cool in my book, okay? Like I said, a lot of these other platforms don't do this stuff, okay? Now, another cool thing that I like about Nowsite is that they have some network marketing features. Now, I know a lot of people don't like network marketing, but hear me out with this one. One of the things that you can do with Nowsite is they have a feature where you can either create a team or you can join a team, okay? And essentially what this will allow you to do is to get extra support from people within the community, other people who are using the platform. And it's another way to get around like-minded people like you who are trying to build their brand in their business. Okay, so it's one way that you can get support. I think that's a really cool feature. Usually with other programs and platforms, they'll have like private Facebook groups, which means you have to come off the site, all right, and go on to another site. And a lot of times, you know, it can be annoying because once you come off the site, now you have Facebook and you have ads playing and other distractions in your way that can really take you away from, you know, really focusing on building your brand, your business, and things like that. Okay, so the fact that you can get support or follow people within the platform itself, I think is great. Okay, it keeps you razor focused on the task at hand. Like I said, another great feature that you just don't see with a lot of these other platforms. So another thing that I want to talk about is they do have customer service. They have great customer service. As soon as you load up, a big chat bubble that you can hit and you can talk to somebody right away. Okay, and they'll answer you. I haven't had any problems. I mean, no, you know, check in from time to time. You can ask questions if you're stuck with anything. If you have any questions, it's right there. You can get in contact with them right away. All right. And as far as help, also, now what I noticed with some of these other platforms is they do have like a large section of education to help you really get around the site. Okay. But it's a dedicated page that just kind of runs on with tons and tons and tons of content that can be pretty overwhelming at times, okay? Especially, I don't know if you ever checked it out, but if you go check out ClickFunnels or Kartra and you look at their education, it goes on forever. One of the things that I like what Nowsite does is that it has an interactive tutorial, okay? Think something like a video game, okay? You're just starting playing a new video game. It may take you through a tutorial where you're kind of locked into doing the actions that they're telling you to do in order to move on. So you may have a game that's telling you to move your analog stick up, down, left, right, or use the right analog stick to move around, or to press the X or A button to jump, something like that. Well, Nowsite's tutorial is similar to that, okay? There's a little bubble, right above the chat bubble, and if you click on it, it says get started. And if you click on it, it depending on what section of the builder that you're on or the settings that you're in, right, it'll give you a list of instructions. And when you click on it, okay, it takes you through that interactive tutorial where it says, okay, go to the email marketing tab. Use an email address to sign up as a new contact, okay? Create a campaign to send a message to this contact, okay? Test the email, things like that. It'll walk you through, and then it'll also give you an explanation as you go along so that you have a better understanding. Okay, so this is, again, another way that it's holding you accountable because it's making you take the action while it's explaining it to you. And it kind of locks you into taking those actions, even though you can exit out of it. It's like a soft lock where it'll lock you into performing those actions in order to continue. Okay, so you're learning firsthand how to do it as it's explaining it to you, which I think is really cool. Something, again, that you don't see with a lot of these other platforms. So I talked enough about it, some of the features and things like that. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when you first sign up. Okay, so when you first sign up, okay, it's going to ask you a few questions. What's your business name? What's your business about? Okay, a short description. All right, this is the AI trying to get a better understanding of what your business is about. In my example, I use digital marketing and online marketing. Okay, once I did that, all right, the AI went to work and it put me together a really quick and easy website. Okay, Tay Wilkins, I help people make money online. Okay, contact form so people can put in the email. It shows my recent blog posts, and it sets some images up, some designated images so the content is there, which I I did edit. I'll show you that in a second with the edits that I made. But basically, it put together a website and immediately started recommending content related to digital marketing. Okay, so this works for multiple businesses. So if, like I said earlier, if you got a fitness, if you're into fitness, okay, maybe like personal training, okay, or automotive, real estate, I mean, the sky's the limit. Okay, if you're not necessarily sure what business, like if you're just starting out, you really don't have any business plans or business ideas, okay, you can also promote Nowsite as an affiliate, and that's an option as well, and they'll build you a site that will help you promote Nowsite. Okay, they do have an affiliate program. Okay, so the options are there. The AI will put something together for you just based on how you answer the questions, and then, like I said, they have a drag and drop editor, so you can make the tweaks and the edits and adjustments that you need to really personalize your website and make it yours. I don't know if this is really a bad thing, but I'll put it here. This platform is super beginner friendly, and that's actually a positive, because a lot of these other platforms have a steep learning curve, okay, where this one doesn't. I mean, it kind of teaches you, it builds it, it puts your website together for you, it puts everything together for you, and then it kind of eases you and teaches you how to utilize the platform in an interactive way, okay? But for advanced user, people like me who are OCD, who like to tweak and change and like really get down to the nitty gritty, like some of the advanced stuff, you may not like this, okay? Again, this is targeted for beginners, people who are just starting out online or have no idea what type of business they want to build, okay? This platform is for them because it pretty much holds them by the hand and does it for them, okay? While you can edit everything, okay, it is pretty simple. So some features that you may be accustomed to seeing in other platforms, you may not see in Nowsite, okay? So like I said, advanced users may not like this. You may want to go ahead and check out WordPress or ClickFunnels or Kartra or one of those platforms if you're an advanced user and you want something where you can really get in and change code and really customize things the way you want, okay? And I would say that the other downside is there is no trial period, okay? Like other platforms, will give you a free trial, and to be fair, you really do need that trial period so that you can actually take some time to learn the system. Their lowest package comes in at $89. Once you go onto the website, okay, you're going to have to pay in order to get started with it, all right? But again, like I mentioned earlier, it's going to go ahead and build your website for you. It's already going to have that stuff in the works, content and all. Everything will be right there waiting for you as soon as you hit the pay button, okay? So you don't have to spend a couple days going through all the educational content. I would highly suggest it so you can get to know the platform, but right away, it's already going to be working in the background to build your website and to create the content to help you build an authority in your niche, okay? So guys, this is my little review on Nowsite, okay? This is a great platform for beginners. I do these reviews and I try to stick with platforms that I feel people can actually use to succeed. And this is one of those platforms that I really feel like you can succeed with, because the AI that's attached to the platform make sure that you're doing what you need to do to successfully grow your business, okay? And this is something that a lot of platforms just don't offer, all right? So in the description below, guys, I will leave a link, okay? It's going to take you to that page where they're going to go ahead and ask you the questions, all right? You fill out the questionnaire, then it's going to ask you whether you want to join or not. Once you hit that join button, once you pay for it, on the other side, on the next page, your website is going to be complete, okay? The website is going to be built, and it's already going to have content recommendations for you. So make sure you check out that link, guys, if you're interested. That's all I got for this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be checking it out, or if you've already been using Nowsite. You let me know what your experience is. All right. Hit the like button, guys, and share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful. There's plenty of people that are looking for ways to build a business or make money online, and they need some help. And if they're absolutely new to the internet, a system like this that can actually hand walk them through everything could go a long way to helping them build and grow a successful online business. All right, so that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.